guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in Fujisawa, which is like 1 hour away from where I live, but this is near to the beach. So on the other side there's like a whole section where you can go in the water and everything like that. This is where like the boat comes, because I see like down there has some boats that I think you can go on. I don't know, maybe later on I might venture onto one, I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm gonna just explore this area. This is my second time here. The first time I went to the other side and also went on Enoshima island, which is like literally an island out in the water. I'm gonna go over there also because I want to see the illuminations tonight. So that's the plan. This is Christmas Day. This is how I'm spending my Christmas Day, guys. Last year I went to an onsen. This year I'm on Enoshima island. Steep stairs that I have to take. I am heading to the cave right now. Given this thing in here, I guess to help me to see.
It's not gonna be scary.
But last time we here.
My light. Oh my god.
Let me protect
I have to bend my head. Okay. I don't know what I came to look for, but it sure isn't this. This looks so nice, guys. So peaceful. Let me see.
What are you having?
My name Margarita. I think Margarita. I don't remember what M name.
What name? Okay.
And it's supposed to be spicy, but I haven't tasted it yet.
Okay. Is it soup or just pasta? What is it?
Pasta soup, which I've never had before.
Okay.
Okay. It tastes like tomato sauce.
So what does that mean? It's good?
It's alright. It's okay.
And I'm having pizza.
Plain pizza. I'm at Enoshima Island, and this is called the Jewels of Shonan, which is like a festival of colorful lights here. So I'm with my friend who is recording, and we are going to just explore the area, and we're going to go to a tower which is that side, but you can't see it. But yeah, we'll show you that later. Detour. Guys, so we're going to go up this thing pretty soon. This is the tower that I was telling you guys about. I was expecting more.
Yeah.